This is Hazel's bed. She is nicely sleeping.
Hi, baby Hazel.
With a very nice view of not only Daddy, but lovely rushing water. What you doing? The one downside of rushing water is nobody can hear anybody. It's very loud, surprisingly. Take another quick view. Hazel, sleeping nicely, propped up against a root. Looks like Daddy's gonna sit in the water in our little pool going on here. Oh, that's nice. She's not having any of it. It's not very warm today. She's doing good considering. Oh, she's not gonna have a choice in the matter. There she goes. Whether she likes it or not. Oh, we're gonna jump off a rock, I think. That looks exciting. Whee! No go? Maybe not. Good, lovely. The river. And there's the kitchen there. You can just see it. And back around to Hazel. And then you can just make out a little path there. Oh, there's a tent right through the trees.